Okay, good morning, all of you. So, welcome back for the ICOM lecture. So, today we will start the chapter number 6. Okay, or we can say that the chapter number second in section second. Okay, already we have in last lecture we have finished the chapter number 5, introduction to the quality management. Is it right? So, uh, basic information about quality control we already discussed. Okay, but what is the motto, what is the requirement, what are the factors, functions, specifications of quality in control we already discussed in chapter number 5. Okay, so today we will start the next chapter, which is also very interested, and that will be very effective whenever you will join industry or any management related study. Okay, so different tools, different design charts. Okay, so we have to study in this chapter. Okay, so I will share my screen. So our sixth chapter number is a total quality control. Okay, chapter number 6 is a total quality management. So syllabus of this chapter, let's see, quality gurus, customer satisfaction. Okay, so this is also very well known points. Customer satisfaction, quality gurus is nothing but there are 7 gurus. Okay, they have given, or we can say that the 7 management academicians, they have given the definition and they have studied total quality management very well or in detail. Okay, we can say that, or in simple language we can say that they have achieved a postdoctorate or doctorate within that sector. Okay, so that's why they are known as gurus. Okay, म्हणजे आपल्याकडे पूर्वी काय म्हणायचे, शिक्षकाला गुरुज म्हणतात आपल्याकडे, बरोबर का? किंवा जे काय पूर्वी जे काय हे होते साधू वगैरे संत वगैरे होते त्यांना आपण गुरुज म्हणायचो. ओके, गुरुकुल सिस्टीममध्ये. सो लाईक दॅट they have given whatever the knowledge they have studied, okay, in detail. So that's why they have given name as a quality gurus. Okay, gurus of quality management. So customer satisfaction, so what is the requirement of customer satisfaction, which point we have to study, okay, as customer satisfaction, how to fulfill the customer satisfaction. Hmm? Now continuous process improvement, whatever the definitely in every sector continuous improvement is required. Okay, so for that purpose we have to study that also. Total quality management is nothing but the entire management. Okay, entire quality management, from that management, from the idea to the customer satisfaction. Okay, so number of factors will become included in that management. Okay, total is nothing but entire, entire quality management. Now in that we have to idea of your business should be, or quality of that idea should be very good. Okay, this is the main uh, importance of the, or main definition of the total quality management. Okay, so we have to maintain quality from each and every sector of entire journey of that product. Okay, so next is employee involvement. Okay, in every sector employee involvement is very important. Okay, whenever each and every employee will say this is my company and this is my role, okay, I should continue, I should fulfill my role, then and then only company's goal will get achieved. Okay, so that confidence, that whatever we can say, that the honesty against, or honesty about company where he doing job. Okay, so that points are also important in that factor. Okay, so employee involvement is also we have to study. Supply partnership. Now supplier is very important, or raw material may be there, or semi external environment points, these are also very important. Okay, so that supplement or supplier is also very huge role in management sector, so that quality we have to take also. Okay, for example, in COVID situation. Okay, so in our India, two companies have made the COVID vaccines. Okay, who is there? Anyone else? Anyone known? Okay, which vaccines India manufacture? माहिती आहे कोणाला? Okay, so this is a, everyone should be updated. Okay, I think from our division, number of students are doing for the competitive examination. Okay, so they should know what is actually current situation. Okay, which vaccines we are having as our Indian made. Okay, anyone? You can message. Okay, so that points are very important, and this is related to our point. So that's why I have taken that supply partnership. Okay, so we will discuss on that. आहे का कोण? कुठले वॅक्सिन आहेत? फर्स्ट वॅक्सिन इज कोविशिल्ड. ओके, इज इट राईट? कोविशिल्ड मॅन्युफॅक्चर बाय I think Serum Institute. Next is a Bharat Biotech company have manufactured the which vaccine? Covin, I think. Covishield serum झाली. आणि कुठले होते बरं? हां, सो सप्लायर पार्टनरशिप वी हॅव टू स्टडी. बघा आठवते का? मला आठवणार. So supply, now who is our supplier? Okay, so that is also a main factor for to quality improvement. Suppose your raw material or your supplier is not well. Okay, so then definitely your product will also get affected. Okay, definitely. For example, continuous raw material we will not get. Definitely entire working of your industry will be disturbed. Okay, so supplier partnership is also takes very huge role in total quality management. Okay, so our supply should be also healthy, our supply should be also honest. Okay, they will give good quality of raw material, then our product quality will also get increased. Okay, suppose for example they are giving in costly material. Okay, less costly material. Okay, or you can say that the affordable for the price. Okay, so we can consider that supplier partnership is also very huge role. Tools of quality control. Now this is an important factor. Okay, already we have we will known about different tools of quality control. Okay, but one or two tools we are knowing. Okay, but there are number of tools of quality control. Now what is the main tool, or what is the requirement of tool of quality control? Now to analyze, okay, or to read the information. For example, in any industry, number of millions of the components are there. Okay, is it possible to maintain the record of each and every component? For example, size, shape, weight, okay, whatever the numbering. Okay, but for that purpose we are using the different charts. For example, bar charts. Okay, histograms. Okay, scatter diagram. So that points we will study in this chapter. Okay, there are different tools of quality control. Now first tool is a check sheet. Okay, what is actually check sheet? Okay, in industry manufacturing industry, this check sheet generally used. Okay, so what is a actually with the definition? What is the structure of check sheet? Okay, we will see in detail. Graphs, different types of graphs we have to study. Parrot analysis, cause and effect diagram, scatter diagram, control charts. Okay, so all these charts we will discuss in this total quality management chapter. Okay, so actually what is a total quality management? Okay, now total quality management is nothing but the entire, we can say that, okay, entire factors regarding that industry, or whichever the factors related to that industry. Now we have to improve the quality of each and every factor is nothing but the total quality management. Okay, so number of scientists, number of academicians given the definition of TQM. Okay, so let's see, discuss the total involvement of staff in organization together, which includes supplier, distributor, and even customer. Okay, so we have to maintain the quality of each and every sector. Okay, considering staff. Okay, the total involvement of staff in organization together, which includes supplier, distributors. Supplier is nothing but raw material supplier, or whatever the electricity may be there. Okay, suppose for example transportation may be there, food, whatever the primary needs, we can say that the, okay, water requirement असेल, okay, oil, whatever the required for that industry is nothing but that requirement will be fulfilled by the from the supplier. Okay, distributor, at the time of marketing or at the time of selling, distributors are required, okay, to sell our product in market. So relation in between industry and distributor, industry and organization and supplier, and even customer. Okay, whenever you have given your product to the distributor, okay, but that distributor have distributed the product, but customer will not satisfy, definitely whatever the requirement from the market, requirement for the customer will be reduced. Okay, so we have to maintain the quality for the customer also, as also for the distributor also. Okay, when your product will be sold in market, definitely distributor will be healthy. Okay, so we have to give whatever the amount of commission to that distributor. Okay, is it right? So that points are very related to the total quality management. In bring about quality satisfaction by the promoting quality cultures through the quality circles, job enrichment, and effective purchasing. Okay, so total quality is nothing but the entire factors related to the organization. Okay, about quality satisfaction by the promoting quality cultures through quality circles. Quality circles is whatever the tools we are using. Circles in nothing but in that your entire area. Okay, which tools, which softwares, which advanced technologies we are using. Okay, so that will be included. Job enrichment. Is it right? So what facilities you are going giving to the employee? What is actually procedure of that your job recruitment? Okay, whether you are giving opportunity to the local faculty or local person. Okay, so that points are also considered in the total quality management. Okay. Next is effective purchasing. Now purchasing should be also effective. Okay, whenever now our total cost. Okay, in last lecture we have discussed. Okay, cost of quality and cost of value of quality. Okay, now total cost of your product should be minimum. Okay, now which will start from effective purchasing. Is it right? So this is a total quality management. Now let's see the definition of total quality management. So Professor Leopold has given the definition of TQ as below. So TQM, total quality management, is the control of all transformation processes. All transformation processes of an organization to best satisfy customers' need in the best economical manner. Okay, so they have given very simple definition of total quality management. Okay, they said that the all transformation process. Okay, control of all transformation process. A transformation process is nothing but already we have discussed different charts. Okay, methodology. So this is nothing but the transformation process. Okay, transformation is nothing but the whatever the movement of product or service. Is it right? For example, transformation of the signal. Okay, communication. Transformation of goods. Okay, transformation of whatever the facilities. So all the transformation process entire that organization of an organization to best satisfy customer. A main purpose of total quality management is satisfy the customer with minimum cost or economical manner. So that is the Professor Leopold is given definition of TQM, total quality management. Now next definition is Atkinson. Atkinson described the TQM as a strategic approach. Strategic is nothing but whatever the analytical. Strategic they have given according to the strategy. Is it right? Strategic approach to product, produce the best product and service possible through constant innovation. नाव आता टोटल क्वालिटी मध्ये आपण काही घेऊ शकतो बघा, जेवढे जेवढे पॉईंट येतील याच्यामध्ये म्हणजे आपण जे शिकलो ते सगळे टोटल क्वालिटी मध्ये येणार. ओके. So produce the best product and service possible through constant innovation. Okay, each and every time innovation should be implemented. Okay, then and then you will stable and we will stay in society or in market within the competition. Okay, so that is main. Now next point is the TQM models. Okay, actually what is the TQM? What is the models of TQM? Now this was proposed by Sohal. These are the academicians, okay, writers. Sohen, Toy, Tay, Worth. In the year 1989, this model consists of 5 important elements. Okay, TQM model is having 5 important elements. First element is a customer focus, management commitment, total participation, statistical quality control, and systematic problem solving. Okay. So we will discuss in detail that points. Message your roll numbers here, all of you. Now first TQM model important point element is a this is integrated model, we can say that TQM consistent continuous quality improvement. So we will discuss okay, customer focus, quality improvement team, total participation, statistical process, and systematic problem solving focus. Okay, so the integrated model, I think so we will discuss that points. Okay, so customer focus. So customer focus is nothing but if each and every customer, maximum customer should attracted towards your product. Okay, so what will be there, what factors are required. Okay, so that point we have to discuss. Is it right? So customer focus is important while considering the total quality management. Is it right? So maximum customer should enrich your product, they should buy your product whenever you will give quality within economic manner, so then definitely your product will get brand. Okay, so that is also we have to study, we have to analyze the customer focus. Okay, what actually customer want. Is it right? So according to the requirement of customer, okay, so we have to focus on them. Management commitment. Management commitment is nothing but whatever the guarantee warranty we are giving to each and every product. Is it right? So that also we have to give. Then and then only your brand or whatever the quality of your product requirement, demand of your product from market will also increase. Total participation from related inside that organization. Okay, each and every participant or each and every faculty should involve in your organization. Then and then only entire work will be finished or our goal will be accomplished. Statistical quality control. Okay, statistical quality control is nothing but another branch of quality control. Okay, statistical is nothing but the mathematical, we can say that. Okay, by using mathematical models, different tools, techniques, we have to use that Okay, so our next chapter is name is statistical quality control. Okay, so we will discuss in detail statistical quality control, systematic problem solving. Now, which tools we are using, which method, which software we are using for the problem solving. So that will also take very huge role in TQM model. Now, integrated model of TQM. The total model, the model stress that the mission of continuous quality improvement, okay, can be achieved to deliver satisfying service to the customer, internal and external. Okay, so improving people at grassroots level. ओके, इम्प्रूव्ह पीपल ॲट ग्रासरूट लेवल, म्हणजे आपण म्हणतो मराठीमध्ये मुळापासून सुधारणा झाली पाहिजे. ओके, ते नाही तर ओनली युअर एंटायर वॉट एव्हर द रोल विल बी फिनिश. ओके, आय विल टेक अ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट रोल. ओके, नेक्स्ट improving their moral sense of belongingness and responsibility. Okay, so that points each and every employer, each and every internal or external customer, sorry, your staff, okay, or which is responsible for that product manufacturing. Okay, so they have to improving their morals, sense of belongingness and the responsibility. Okay, using statistical techniques to analyze, collect data and whatever collected data and adopting PDCA cycle. Okay, so we will discuss that PDCA cycle. So in next पुढच्या स्लाइड मध्ये टाकली माहिती. ओके, युझिंग स्टॅटिस्टिकल टेक्निक्स टू अनालाइज कलेक्टेड डाटा अँड अडॉप्टिंग PDCA cycle. Okay, so benefit of TQM. Advantages unique to the TQM: it makes company leaders not follower. TQM creates goal-directed connection between customer, management and workers. Everyone is motivated to contribute. It thus fosters effective teamwork. It makes the company more sensitive to customer needs. Definitely more sensitive to customer need. Okay, so these are the benefits. It makes the company adapted readily to the change. Okay, so they are every time ready. Okay, whenever any innovation will be there, any government rule will be changed. Okay, definitely they will stable. Okay, अचानक लॉकडाऊन पडलं किंवा अचानक काहीतरी गव्हर्नमेंटचा रूलच बदलला. Okay, so we have to stay in market. Another innovation, another alternative we have to choose. Okay, म्हणजे अशा कंपन्या बघा, बऱ्याच कंपन्या आपण बघितल्या, तर एखाद्या कुठल्या गोष्टीला जर बॅन आले तर लगेच तो मॅनेजर असेल, ती ऑर्गनायझेशन असेल, तर दुसरा लगेच ते काय करते, प्रोडक्ट सुरू करते. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल, व्हेरी बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल इज संजय गोडावत. ओके, यू माइट बी नोईंग. ओके, संजय गोडावत आहे, तुम्हाला माहिती असेल, जयशंकरचा. ओके, उद्योगपती. त्यांचे प्रोडक्ट काय होते पहिले, गोवा गुटखा वगैरे असले होते, बरोबर. बट whenever the some product will be was banned from the government. ओके, आता मग त्यांचे जे प्रोडक्ट होते बॅन झाले काही वर्षापूर्वी, मग त्यांनी स्टॉप केले का इंडस्ट्री. ओके, आता जर तुम्ही बघितलं त्यांचे, तर त्यांचे सगळे ते फूड मार्केटमध्ये उतरले, बरोबर का. म्हणजे त्यांचे स्टेबल झाले ते कशावरून, जे काय तुमचे गुटखा, तंबाखू, सिगारेट होते, ह्यांचे प्रोडक्ट होते त्यांचे. ओके, पण आता काय त्यांचे प्रोडक्ट फूड, म्हणजे तुमचे चिप्स असेल, ओके, किंवा स्पायसेस किंवा मसाले असतील, ओके, मसाले उद्योगामध्ये उतरलेत, हळद असेल, ओके, मसाल्यामध्ये सगळं झालं. ओके, सो दॅट इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टंट फॅक्टर, ऑर दॅट इज ऑल्सो वी कॅन से दॅट द बिहेवियर ऑफ company's head, okay, or leader. So they have to innovate, they have to innovative, they have to stable each and every time. Okay, they have to adapt the whatever the readily to the change. Okay, so this will be the benefit of the TQM. Now benefit to the customer. Okay, which what benefits to the customer of TQM? Favor problem with the product or service. Okay, so I think at the end of that will be very effective. Okay, हे बेनिफिट आपल्याला शेवटी लक्षात आले असते. ओके, ठीक आहे. ओनली चार्ट्स आर रिमेनिंग, सो वी विल फिनिश दॅट चार्ट्स. सो बेनिफिट टू द कस्टमर, फेवर प्रॉब्लेम विथ द प्रोडक्ट ऑर सर्व्हिस. ओके, TQMचे बेनिफिट काय असणार कस्टमरसाठी? फेवर प्रॉब्लेम्स विथ द प्रोडक्ट ऑर सर्व्हिस, बेटर कस्टमर केअर अँड ग्रेटर सॅटिस्फॅक्शन. ओके, these are also our objectives. Definitely at the end of TQM that will give get the benefit. Okay, benefit to the company, better product quality. Okay, we will get better product quality. Staffs are more motivated and quality conscious. Definitely in TQM model, when you will apply TQM model, so definitely whatever the staff will be motivated. Okay, whatever we can say that the policies of organization. Okay, so according to that we will get an idea. Customer are also your staff, whatever the workers will also very happy. Definitely whenever you will apply the TQM model. Now productivity will improve, definitely reduce the quality cost. Okay, why? Because innovative products, machines are you we are using, techniques different using. Okay, so definitely quality will also increase and cost will also minimize. Enhanced problem solving capacity, these are the benefit to the company. Enhanced problem solving capacity. Okay, definitely problem solving capacity will also increase, that is also benefit for the company. Increase the market. Okay, whenever your product will get very best quality, definitely market will, demand from the market will also increase. Benefits to company, increased competitive position of the firm, improved profitability. Definitely whenever maximum market will be available, definitely profit will also increase. Okay, production will also increase. Some jobs will be created. So that are benefit of the TQM to the company. Good public image of the enterprise by helping it to the provide goods and service of higher quality at lower cost to the society. Improvement in human relations and work related work area moral. Benefit to the staff, empowerment, enhancement of job interest and security, more training and improvement in skills, more recognition, reduce the employee grievances. Definitely employee will also get happy whenever you will apply the TQ model or standard policies. Okay, given by the some quality gurus are given by the management sector. Okay, so this is all about introduction to the TQM. Okay, total quality management. Now our first point is a quality gurus. Okay, so these are the gurus. Okay, quality gurus, they have given some rules, some theories, okay, related to the total quality management. Okay, so that's why they are, now we can say that um, they are live. Okay, with the help of his knowledge. ते आता जरी उपस्थित नसले तरी त्यांच्या अभ्यासामुळे, शिक्षणामुळे ते जिवंत आहे, अमर झाले, बरोबर का? ओके, क्वालिटी गुरु म्हणजे हे लाईफ टाईम आपण त्यांना बघणार, ऐकणार, त्यांचा अभ्यास करणार. ओके, सो दॅट इज ऑल्सो व्हेरी, म्हणजे जग काय मरावे परी कीर्तिरूपी उरावे. ओके, अशा प्रकार आहे क्वालिटी गुरुज. ह्यातमध्ये इंडियन एक पण दिसत नाही. काय कुठं झाले ते इंडियन कोण असतो? ठीक आहे, आहेत का जागे सगळे? कशाला इंडियन वाढायचे आमचे, झोपले सगळे. ठीक आहे. So first, यांची काय detailed explanation we will take. Okay, also in notes, handwritten notes, I have given all the theories of each and every quality gurus. Okay, म्हणजे ह्यांनी काय केलं हे आपण लिहिलेलं आहे. Okay, so we will discuss quality gurus theories in tabulator format. Okay, so this is a very important tablet. Okay, so for the so first guru is a Crossby, Deming, Feigenbaum, Ishikawa, Juran, and ISO 9000. That is the international standard organization for the standardization. They have given also some theories. So about quality definition, the Crossby given the definition of quality. Okay, or total quality management. So Crossby given definition: three corners of quality: product, user, and instruction for use. Okay, so Crossby have given the theory about the three corners of quality. Okay, product, user, and instruction for use. Okay, definitely. So they have given definition about quality or total quality management. They are saying product based. Okay, so we have to think on product, what innovations, what additional support, okay, what uh, factors are required to improve the quality of product. Okay, so they have analyzed, they have studied lot on these 3 points. Okay, product, whatever, next is user, or we can say that the customer, what are the requirement of customer, how customer will be satisfied, huh? So actually what are the benefits, okay, drawbacks. Okay, according to the Crosby have given theory of the his name. Okay, or we can say that the quality gurus. Okay, first guru is the Crosby. They have given 3 corners. Okay, and psycho philosophy of defects free. Okay, now his philosophy, they have given your product, whenever your product will defect free, definitely market will be available. Okay, so his analysis about philosophy. Okay, so Crosby says that our product should be defect free, definitely market will be available and customer will also attract to your product, and whenever they will use your product again, definitely they will satisfy with the help of that product. Okay, whenever the product will satisfy his need of customer, definitely customer will satisfy. Approach of course by motivate the people. Whenever they have given motivation theories. Okay, already we have discussed motivation theory. क्रॉसबायनं पण हे सांगितलं काय, म्हणजे गोड बोला, म्हणजे आपण डिस्कस झालेलं बघा, म्हणजे काय डोक्यावर बर्फ मुखामध्ये साखर, हे जर ठेवलं आणि मोटिवेट जर लोकांना केलं तर डेफिनेटली वी विल गेट द फ्रूट ऑफ दॅट. इज इट राईट? Motivate the people, whatever the employee, workers, whatever the supplier, distributor. Okay, so different external agencies. Okay, so everyone should be satisfied, everyone should be motivated from your organization. So they have given this theory. Certain what the by what name is a Deming. Okay, so now काय Demingचं W. Edwards. Okay, खतरनाक नाव आहे Deming. So Deming has given definition, quality definition, conformance to the requirement. Okay, conformance is nothing but the whatever the guarantee, we can say the conformity. Okay, to the requirement. Okay, customer requirement from the customer definitely, and that requirement fulfillment with guarantee, with quality is nothing but the conformance. Okay, so psychology they have given, philosophy they have given, constancy of the purpose, statistical analysis. The constancy of the purpose, okay, continuous purpose or whatever the need of that customer, so we have to study that. Okay, and analysis, statistical analysis they are very having maximum focus on statistical control. Okay, statistical is nothing but they are saying that use maximum innovative charts, graphs for the analysis. Okay, म्हणजे आपण मार्केटमध्ये जर बघितलं बघा, तर टी व्ही चालू जर केला तुम्ही तर ते लगेच म्हणते बघा, हा चॅनल काय 1 नंबर आहे, 2 नंबर आहे. ओके, गेल्या 6 महिन्यापासून, 3 महिन्यापासून. कोण सांगते? ते सांगतात. हाव, आता तो मोठा कार्यक्रम झालेला आहे TRPचा. ओके, त्यामुळे ते आपल्याला सगळ्यांना माहीत झालंच आहे. सो अनालिसिस इज ऑल्सो गेट व्हेरी ह्यूज रोल फॉर दी कस्टमर. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आता यूट्यूब चॅनल असतात आपल्याकडे, बरोबर का? तर आपण सगळे चॅनल लगेच सबस्क्राईब करत नाही, बरोबर का? कधी करतो आपण, बघतो चॅनल कसा आहे, त्याला जर जास्त सबस्क्रायबर असतील तर आपण करतो. ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू अनालिसिस, म्हणजे प्रत्येकाचं वेगळं असणार अनालिसिस. कोण काय म्हणेल बाबा, कोणाला कुठल्या एरियामध्ये असेल तर ते सबस्क्राईब करणार. ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द, सो वी हॅव टू अनालाइज. ओके, statistical analysis should be there. So they have also given suggestion given by the Deming. Approach statistical techniques also, different techniques we have to use. Mechanics 14 obligations of the management. Okay, they have given also obligations or steps. So next pagan bum. So pagan bum, given the definition what the customer says it is. Okay, so they have given definition about, they are only saying that the customer काय म्हणतो बघा आणि कामाला लागा. Is it right? What customer required? Okay, study the customer and according to the customer requirement, customer satisfaction. Okay, so we have to improvement, we have to start your work. Is it right? So philosophy, they have given full customer satisfaction at economical cost, definitely. Customer satisfaction at economical cost. Okay, whenever you will give the better quality product within minimum cost, okay, definitely your that model will also accepted by the society or customer. Approach, system approach to the total quality control, and the 9 M's they have given. Okay, so they have also given 9 mechanics. Ishikawa. Okay, so I think I have given that points in written notes. Okay, so study that. Now next guru is Ishikawa. Ishikawa. Kouro 3 number आहे बघा. Kauro Ishikawa. Ishikawa हे ह्याच्यामध्ये येतं बरं का. MCQ डेफिनेटली 1-2 MCQ असतात त्याच्यावरती. This is very important factor. Our quality guru title is very important for your examination. Okay, that might be offline or online. Is it right? So study that. Okay, म्हणजे हा एवढा चार्ट जरी बघितला तरी काय कळेल तुम्हाला. So Ishikawa given definition satisfactory to the customer. The same definition given by Pagan. So company's wide quality control. Okay, philosophy they have given the company wide quality control. Definitely customer or company should think on the quality control. Okay. Talk with data approach. His approach about the total quality management is talk with data. ते काय म्हणते बघा, जे काय असेल ते क्वालिटीशी बोला तुम्ही. म्हणजे क्वालिटी द्या, मग तुम्हाला कस्टमर काय बोलणार, काहीच नाही बोलणार. Okay, directly they will buy your product. Okay, so they are only related to say that the your quality or whatever the data analysis. Okay, according to the customer, according to the consumer, you have to start your product or work of your entire organization. 7 statistical tools they have given also. Okay, next guru is a Juran. Fitness for use. Okay, already we have discussed that Jurani initial stage of this subject. Okay, Jurani has given definition of quality: fitness for use. Okay, or fitness for purpose. Now philosophy of Juran, project approach in order of importance. Okay, what are the maximum importance? According to the importance, we have to focus on that. Okay, then we will get the total satisfaction. Is it right? इम्पॉर्टन्स म्हणजे जे काही इम्पॉर्टन्स असेल ते पहिल्यांदा बघा. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इन दॅट कोविड सिच्युएशन व्हॉट इज द रिक्वायरमेंट, सॅनिटायझर किंवा मास्क असेल, हे जे रिक्वायरमेंट वाढले की लगेच कंपनीने काय केलं, बऱ्याच कंपनीने त्याचं प्रोडक्ट चालू केलं, बाकीचं जरा स्टॉप केलं. ओके, बट दे हॅव गिव्हन इम्पॉर्टन्स टू दे. ओके, अप्रोच ऑफ Juran, क्वालिटी थ्रीलॉजी, ट्रायलॉजी, planning, control and improvement. Okay, same diagnosis they have given mechanics, diagnostic and remedial journeys. Okay, now next ISO 9000 also given the information about the quality, conformance of product and specification, documentation and defects. Okay, self audit with independent review, 3 ISO 9009, 2 guidelines. So our next point is customer satisfaction. Okay, so we will this is also very easy. Corner model is also important in that point. Okay, so we will study this point in next lecture. Okay, so what we have discussed today, we will take revision, and at the end I will take attendance again. So actually total quality management, TQM, total quality management area. Okay, our introduction we have discussed, definitions we have discussed. Hmm? TQM model. Okay, customer focus, management commitment, total participation, statistical quality control, systematic problem solving. Is it right? Integrated model of TQM. Hmm? Quality improvement teams. Okay, so you have to distribute our employee within teams for the improvement of quality. Is it right? Total participation of organization in organization, statistical quality control, or use of different innovations, systematic problem solving focus, customer focus. Okay, so this is an integrated model of TQM. We have taken the integrated model benefits of TQM. Okay, benefits to the leader, company, customer, company, uh, benefit to the staff. Okay, of the TQM. Okay, now again we have discussed about the quality gurus. Okay, there are 7 quality gurus. Okay, Edward Deming, Joseph Joran, Ichikawa, Feigenbaum, Armand Feigenbaum. Okay, Genichi Taguchi, Philip B. Crosby, Shingo. So these are the quality gurus. They have described different theories about the quality management. Okay, so they are also known as quality gurus. Okay, in management. Okay, or in can we can say that total quality management. Is it right? So we have discussed. So we will stop here. So all of you, those are remaining. You can message your roll numbers. Okay. So thank you very much for attending this lecture. Okay. And please follow all the instructions given by WhatsApp group. व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुपवर काय दिलेलं असतात पॉईंट ती जरा मनावर घेऊन देत जा. सगळे देत नाही, सगळे देतात. 5-10% कार्यकर्ते आहेत डेंजर. ओके.